In today's video, I'm doing a review and a walk through the Mindvalley membership. So if you're at all interested in any of the courses within the Mindvalley membership, take a look at my video and see whether it's for you. It's probably worth starting by explaining that the Mindvalley membership is a more recent thing. Once upon a time, Mindvalley delivered courses individually. So for example, 10 years ago I signed up for the Silver Method, and when I signed up that was the access I had was for the Silver Method and none of the other courses. So in the last few years they've been moving over to a subscription membership whereby you get access to all their content on the platform for the price of an annual subscription. Now, to compare that to the way things used to be, the annual membership is just a little bit under the price of what 2 courses would have been, so it does represent very good value. So to give you a quick overview of what's within the Mindvalley membership, there are dozens of courses which are delivered by video and other content, and you follow them through lessons sequentially. There are every month there are several lives, and these are delivered by one of the trainers or facilitators, and the benefit of the lives of course is that you can interact. There is a community which is attached to the membership and to individual courses, so that can support you as you go through a particular course, and there's also a facility whereby you can record your progress through a journal. So if we just have a look within the programs here, and I scroll down a little, you will see that there are many names within the personal development and growth community that deliver these courses. So you've got the types, the likes of Jim Quick, you've also got the likes of Paul McKenna, Marissa Peer, and if I just go through to this list of trainers, you'll see that there are names from across the field of personal development and well-being, like Eric Edmeades, Ken Wilber, Lisa Nichols, Neeraj Naik. Just looking down, you'll see that these really are some of the top players in the industry, so you know you're going to be getting quality courses within the membership. If I scroll back to the programs, you'll also see that the courses are categorized into various headings. So they've got mind, body, soul, career, entrepreneurship and relationships. And within these there are many courses, and the library's growing all the time. Most of the courses back in the day were probably mostly mind and body related, but they've really expanded now into the areas of entrepreneurship and careers. So it's really becoming, far more broad and interesting offering. So if I just have a quick scroll down here, you'll see that, for example, they've got 12 of the most popular trending programs, and they are, like I've said, the likes of Marissa Peer, Vishen Lakhiani, Jim Quick, Paul McKenna, Marissa Peer again. But like I said, there are dozens of courses, so there's plenty for you to choose from. I'll just briefly scroll down so you get a quick glimpse into what's being offered within each category. And like I said, they've got a coming soon section, and they are constantly adding new programs to the library. So if I go back up to, for example, the Breathwork for Life course, which I'm currently undertaking, I'll just show you what's in there so you get a rough idea of how it works. So when you sign up, you've got the opportunity to sign up either a self-guided approach, or you can go joining a community going through the course. So you'll be following other people who are at a similar stage of you as you are at that course. So on this one I signed up for the community as well as self-guided, and you'll see that here the course is just broken down into various lessons. And then if I go into, for example, this lesson, you'll see that the first thing you get is a video in which you get some background information to what is delivered in some of the other content. So for example here they'll talk you through breath work for sleep, and then as we go down, there's various learning points and action points, and then there's a deep sleep healing meditation and a hypnosis underneath as well. So like I said, the video at the top is really just setting the scene and giving you some educational information, and then the content below, the audios, are the exercises you can do. And I mean, for this course I found them incredibly beneficial and very good quality. I mean, I've had the benefit of doing these breathing exercises from the first day I started. What you'll also find is that some of the courses will also have a workbook which has all the content start to finish, but it really depends on which course it is. Okay, so if we just go back now, you'll see at the top here we also have the link in the menu to the live events, and it will give you the calendar here of what's coming up for the rest of the month. Within the Connect section is the community. So that's a basic walkthrough and overview. How have I found the membership? Well, I found it very good. I mean, I've done probably 3 or 4 courses in the last year, which individually would have cost more than twice what the membership is. I found some of the courses better than others. I was really hopeful for Jeffrey Allen's duality, but it didn't quite work for me. But the beauty was that I could withdraw from that course and go on to another one, like the breathwork course, which I found far better. And I've also gone on to do the 6-phase meditation and the Silver Ultramind, which are far more my thing. So the value for money is very good. The courses are multi-format. You get videos, you get audio, you get action points, you get downloadable documents. The quality and the production of the videos and the audio is incredibly good. It really is top notch. There are dozens of courses to choose from, and like I said, if one of them is not for you, you can dip into another one, and there really is something for everyone. I'd say the only thing that I've had in the last year is when I was doing the duality course. I joined it self-guided, and perhaps that's one of the reasons that it didn't work quite for me. If I'd have joined the community as well, I might have had a bit more support that would help me go through the course. So yes, it's a very good offering, great value for money. You get a 15-day money back guarantee if you want to give it a spin. And if you are interested, I'll drop a link in the description below. If you've got any questions about the Mindvalley membership, drop them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like more videos about personal development reviews, then just hit the subscribe button and the notification bell.